If you're not experienced in video editing, I can see that it could be very difficult and frustrating task each time you edit a video. But if I told you, it doesn't have to be that case. So you start with looking for the best tools and softwares for saving time for creating better videos. At the same time, you'll be inspired by videos such as I made 6 figures on 1 lakh downloads with video editing just in 1 month. When you don't achieve that goal, you become frustrated, discouraged, and get into depression. After that, you turn your attention to making a lot of money quickly. That's when you're distracted more. And that's where I come in. Whether you're a content creator, aspiring filmmaker, or just looking to enhance your videos, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get started and what you should do to creating amazing videos. So are you interested in learning the best tips which are actually working right now from start to end? The first step in starting video editing is selecting the right software. Consider your budget, skill level, and the features you need in editing apps. For example, you could use mobile editing apps like InShot, CapCut, VN, Adobe Express, or Adobe Rush to create content for Instagram, TikTok, or any vertical short form video. If you want to pursue a career in filmmaking or become a very good editor, a popular option are there, which is Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and this app is for more advanced users. You can consider iMovie or Filmora. Just start as a beginner. Even I started with the Movie Maker. Once you have chosen your software, just go and buy a course from Udemy. It is very around 300 to 500 movies. Just select the top rated course and take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface and the basic tools. Will make your editing process much smoother and fast. Before you start editing, it's essential to organize your file and folder. Create a folder structure to keep your video clips, image and audio files organized. This will help you to stay organized and efficient throughout the editing process. Begin with assembling your footage on the timeline to create a rough cut. Arrange your clips in the order you want them to appear in your final video. And don't worry about the fine tuning at this stage. Once you have a rough cut, start trimming and editing your clips. Remove any unwanted section and ensure your video flows smoothly from one clip to the next. Enhance your video by adding transition between clips and visual effects. Be creative but avoid overdoing it, as simplicity can often be more efficient. Add titles, subtitles and graphics to provide context and information to your video. This will make your video more engaging, more creative and look professional. Ensure your audio levels are balanced and make adjustment as needed. You can also add background music or sound effect to enhance the mood of your video. Once you have completed your editing, preview your video to check any errors or areas that need improvement. Make any final adjustment before exporting the video. Finally, choose your appropriate setting for your videos and save it to your desired location and push it into the world so that whole universe can see it. So hear me out. If you want more details in anything like exporting your videos, how to add this transition, I already make many videos you can watch from my channel or the playlist I've made. After you are comfortable in editing videos, now it's time to build a better portfolio. If you're not sure what to be include, what not to be include, or how to include something, this can be very confusing. I appreciate if you subscribe this video and spread to your people who just start editing videos. Let's make a list of the common editing skills that you have as a beginner. And the final video that is no more than 1 to 2 minutes longer. And that video should be combining all the specialty into it. Such as you become an expert in color correcting and color grading, just add that footage into your portfolio. If you know how to add effects, create effects and add in your portfolio. If you know to animate text animation, add subtitle or animate lower thirds, add this into your portfolio. If you edit green screen video or if you can remove the object from any background, add this in your portfolio. But additionally, don't forget to add audio. If you can clean the audio, add background music, or you can add sound effects, add in this video. And there are many more. The more you show, the more chances you getting client. So I know my portfolio is not good enough to get my first client, but here is the catch how I get it. So when I got the chance, I nailed the interview because I become the expert in what I presented. So you need to have that expertise in your editing software. If you are color grading, just show them how you color grade. When the client asks in your interview, just show them how you are more valuable to their company. If you get your first client and lose that client, it's your mistake. But because you're not able to convince that you can edit best videos and give more value to it. And this is the common mistake we as a beginner do, that you not become the expert in editing videos. Remember, video editing is a creative process. So don't be afraid to experiment or try new things. Practice regularly to improve your skills and develop your unique style. Alright, let me ask you a question. Is your video editing is too good to you as it can be? And the answer is obvious, and you know how you edit your video. And there are the 3 common problems or common things you are missing out in editing videos, and here are the videos you can watch in which I have something. It's not about basic, it's all about something. Bye bye guys.